Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn what is that? What is the topic is verb preposition collocation. Word preposition collocation. Already I taught this topic to you. Today we are going to see some examples and some exercise also. Okay. Page number 67, page number 67. Okay. So before studying this, we have to know about what is a verb preposition collocation. Okay. What do you mean by verb preposition collocation? The words in red are verbs and preposition. These verbs in most cases are accompanied by this preposition. They are verb preposition collocations. Certain verbs are followed by specific preposition. We say that these verbs collocate with this preposition. So in this topic itself, we can understand verb. In a sentence you have verb and then preposition also. Preposition, what do you mean by preposition? That is in, on, okay. What is it? Above, below. These words are, we call it as preposition. So verb along with the preposition comes means we call verb preposition collocation. Collocation means joined. Okay, verb and preposition will join together. That is verb preposition collocation. Okay, so last class also we have seen examples, some examples. That is verb preposition we have seen along with the sentences. Okay, now today 3 more examples we are going to see and some exercise also we are going to see. Okay, first one is concentrate on. Concentrate on. So here concentrate is the main verb, on is the preposition. So both we call it as verb preposition collocations. Okay, and then how they are using this verb preposition in a sentence, that is Arjun concentrated. Arjun concentrated on the task at hand rather than wasting his time on pointless banter. So here concentrated means you have to concentrate your studies, we are telling, no, that is the meaning. So here Arjun concentrated on the task at hand rather than wasting his time on pointless banter. So here the concentrated is used in the sentence. Arjun, how he was concentrating in the task rather than wasting his time on pointless banter. So here concentrated on is the verb preposition. And then second one, contribute to. Okay, contribute to. Contribute to. So here how we can use this verb preposition in a sentence. Okay, I would like to contribute. I would like to contribute to the flood relief fund. Okay, So here contribute is the main verb and to is the preposition. So how we are using in a sentence? I would like to contribute to the flood relief fund. So here this is the verb preposition. Okay, to is the preposition and contribute is the main verb. And next one is guilty. Okay, guilty of. The man was guilty of stealing 7 cars from the neighborhood. Okay, so here how verb preposition is used in a sentence, that is guilty of. Guilty is the main verb, of is the preposition. So here the man was guilty of stealing 7 cars from the neighborhood. Okay, so here guilty of is the verb preposition. And then one more examples they have given, that is object to. The environmentalist objected to the government's decision by clearing the forest. This also, there are so many examples they have given in your textbook. I have taught you a few examples only. Now we are going to see exercises. Okay, that is page number 67. Identify the incorrect verb preposition collocations in the sentence and correct them. Okay, so they have given errors. Okay, errors means incorrect verb preposition they have given in the sentence. You have to remove that. You have to remove the word and you have to add the correct verb preposition in the sentence. That we are going to see that. Okay, so these are also the examples of verb preposition collocations. Okay, so we have learned concentrate on, contribute to, guilty of, and then now we are going to see the exercises. Okay, so everything in your textbook is there, don't want to worry. So first sentence, A Uncle Shyam insisted at paying for the ice cream. Okay, this is the one sentence. So I am writing like this, here no space, so I am writing like this. Uncle Shyam insisted at paying for the ice cream. Here we have to find out the wrong word, where it is, that is at. So this is the wrong word. You have to write the correct word. What you have to write? On. So at is the wrong one. You have to add, what is that? On. Okay. What is the heading? Heading what they have given? identify the incorrect verb. You have to identify the incorrect verb and you have to write the correct verb preposition. So, at is the wrong one. You have to remove that at and you have to add on. Okay. Then next one, B. The council objected. The council objected about the use of polythene, in the society, in the city. Okay, not society, in the city. The council objected about the use of polythene in the city. Here we have to find out the wrong one, wrong word, where it is. Can you find out that? Here, yes, this one is the wrong word, about. About will not come here, rather than we have to use to. Okay, so about is the wrong one, so we have to use the word to. So, to is the correct one. So, now the council objected to the use of polythene in the city. So, here we add the to here. This is the correct word. Okay. And then C. Combine the egg yolk mixture with the flour and stir. So, this C sentence, there is no wrong word in that sentence. Okay, there is no incorrect word, that is correct only. Combine the egg yolk mixture with the flour and stir, that one is correct one. So, don't want to do any correction. Okay. D. It is generally believed that people from the southern part of India prefer coffee over tea. Can you find out which word is wrong? You can easily find out the wrong word here. It is generally believed that people from southern part of India prefer coffee over tea. Is it correct? No. Over is the wrong word, incorrect word they are given. Okay. Over is the wrong word. So, you have to put one wrong there and you have to write the correct word to. Okay. You have to write the correct word to. So, now you can understand the word to is the preposition. Okay. So, wherever the preposition word comes, you can identify that is verb preposition collocation, but it should be correct. Okay. Not every verb preposition is mixed with the other word. Okay. So, there is correct word is there, you have to add in the sentence. So, here it is generally believed that the people from southern part of India prefer coffee to tea. Okay, here coffee to what we have taken from over is the wrong word, you have to add to. Okay, that is the correct word. And then last one, E. One should not feed in gossip. one should not feed in gossip. Gossip means telling wrongly about what is that, any person, okay, that is gossip. Backbiters, okay, that is gossip. One should not feed in gossip. So here which word is wrong word? Here one should not feed in gossip. In is the incorrect word, okay. In is the incorrect word. Instead of in we have to use on, okay, on gossip. So in English it's very difficult to identify or where we have to use the preposition. It's very difficult. Slight changes only is there, but there is a apt word is there, correct word is there. That word only we have to use for preposition, okay, understand. So one should not feed in gossip is the wrong one. One should not feed on gossip is the correct one, okay. So here what do you mean by verb preposition? I told you the main verb is there along with the preposition. Preposition you know, on, in, to, okay, below, above, towards, about, everything is a preposition, okay. So here we have to know which word is correct word we have to use in a sentence, okay. I hope you all understand what is that, verb preposition collocation. Already I taught you what is the definition and we have seen so many examples. This class also again we have seen some examples and exercise also. So if you have any doubt in this chapter you can ask me, okay. Please keep on watching the video. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.